Wondering how YouTube decides where your videos rank? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you the 3 key phases of YouTube ranking and how to take advantage of each. My name is Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. It says here, phase 1, the testing phase, which is 24 to 48 hours. Now, what's going on, within that time frame? So you just uploaded your video, it's live, right? So now YouTube is saying, all right, so for the first 2 days, we're gonna really dive deep and test this stuff. We're gonna look at the CTR, we're gonna look at the watch time, we're gonna also look at the engagement, and they're gonna take all of that data to decide if they're gonna push you to a wider audience. Now, that doesn't mean you go completely into the biggest audience ever, right? They're doing this in phases, and one thing to remember is that the testing really never stops. All right, so let's go to phase number 2, which is what I call the boost phase. Now, over your next 7 days, after they've decided, okay, your main core audience has seen it, they liked it. Also, the people who recently watched your content, they like it. And then, of course, some of the newer people are really engaging with your stuff. After that 7-day mark, and you might have noticed this, and this is something that I pay attention to, is typically once you're rolling into week number 2, you'll see like a spike in your impressions. Let me know down below in the comments if that's something that you've noticed or you actually pay close attention like I tend to do, right? Now, when that happens, you're like, oh crap. Okay, we got that spike that we're looking for. So that means it's kind of on the right track to do what you're trying to do, which is get that boost. And that boost, what that really is it's starting to show up more in suggested. It's starting to show up more on the homepage, and your rankings are starting to improve. Now, if you're not yet seeing that boost, it might be because you're not properly optimized for ranking. So what I've done is I've put together my YouTube SEO checklist that's going to help you solve that problem, and it's free down below in the link in the description. Now let's get back to the content. Now, when we transition to the third phase, we're gonna get into stabilization, right? So let me go ahead and go down here real quick. All right, so right here, this is what I call to stabilize. Now, back in the days, and this was more of a Google thing, where you would rank your video, and then your video will be, let's say it goes to the second spot on the first page, right? And then like a few hours later or the next day, you might see it in the 5th spot, right? And you're like, oh man, I didn't drop the rankings. And then you might not see it at all, right? This used to happen a lot because I've been doing ranking for a very long time. And so it would be doing like what we would call it is like the jump. Like we used to call it the Google jump, right? So with the Google jump, you're like, oh man, when is it going to stabilize? So that's what's happening. They're trying to figure out, okay, is the CTR pretty good? Is it consistent? Is the audience retention as well? Like once they figure that out, they're like, all right, we feel like this is worthy enough to actually be sitting in whatever position they put you in, right? And I've seen it where I get ranking number 1, number 2, number 3. Like I've seen it through all the tests that I've done, right? It's a very consistent process, but once they stabilize, you usually stay in that spot for a while. And you might have noticed that when I showed you those videos that were still ranking after 2 years, YouTube has decided those are extremely relevant and they need to stay there. But do remember what I said earlier, this testing, it never stops. All right, so they're still testing those videos that have been there for 2 years. If somebody comes and it's better, it's more relevant, then obviously I'm going to start to drop in rankings, right? So just remember that as you're doing this ranking stuff, all right? Now that you know how the YouTube ranking system works in phases, I want you to watch this video right here because I go through my YouTube SEO checklist step by step, which covers the moves I make and the moves my clients makes to consistently land on the first page. See you over there.